Welcome back to the Culinary Study Guide, your ultimate source for culinary knowledge and inspiration. In today's video, we dive into properly seasoning and cooking seafood. If you've ever wondered how to elevate the flavors of your seafood dishes and create mouth-watering results, you're in the right place. We'll share essential tips and techniques to ensure your seafood is perfectly seasoned and cooked to absolute delight. If you're passionate about mastering the art of seafood preparation, remember to hit the subscribe button and join our community of food lovers. By subscribing to the Culinary Study Guide, you'll gain access to a wealth of culinary knowledge, expert tips, and exciting recipe ideas to enhance your kitchen skills further. Seasoning and cooking seafood properly enhances its natural flavors and creates delicious dishes. Here are some tips to help you season and cook seafood. Starting with tip number 1, freshness is key. Start with high-quality fresh seafood. Look for clear eyes, shiny skin, and fresh, briny smell. Choosing fresh seafood sets the foundation for a flavorful dish. Tip number 2, seasoning before cooking. Seasoning seafood before cooking helps infuse the flavors throughout the dish. You can use a combination of salt, pepper, herbs, spices, and citrus zest to enhance the taste. Lightly coat the seafood with the seasoning mixture covering all sides. Number 3, don't overdo it. Seafood has delicate flavors, so avoiding overpowering them with excessive seasoning is essential. Start with a light hand, and you can constantly adjust the seasoning later. 4, grilling. Grilling seafood imparts a smoky flavor and a beautiful char. Brush the seafood with oil to prevent sticking, and season it with a dry rub or marinade. Cook over medium-high heat until it's opaque and easily flakes from a fork. 5, pan searing. Heat oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat for pan-searing seafood. Season the seafood and place it in the hot pan, cooking for a few minutes on each side until it develops a golden crust and is cooked through. Number 6, baking and roasting. Baking or roasting seafood in the oven helps retain moisture and creates tender, flavorful results. Place the seasoned seafood on a baking sheet or on a roasting pan and cook at a moderate temperature until it's opaque and cooked to your desired doneness. Number 7, steaming. Steaming is a gentle cooking method that preserves the natural flavors of seafood. Season the seafood, place it in a steamer basket or on a bed of aromatic vegetables, and steam it until it's cooked through. Tip number 8, taste and adjust. Always taste the seafood before serving and adjust the seasoning if needed. It's an opportunity to add a touch more salt, a squeeze of citrus juice, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs to bring out the flavors. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on the type and thickness of the seafood. It's essential to monitor the cooking process closely and avoid overcooking, as seafood becomes more rubbery and lose its delicate texture. With practice and experimentation, you'll become more confident in seasoning and cooking seafood to perfection.